Good morning, students. Today we start chapter 17 Habitat. Okay, so after the unit test exam, I will take chapter 15, 16, and 18. So this chapter will finish it first because it is easy chapter. Okay, habitat. Meaning of habitat. So, what is the meaning of habitat? Habitat means living place. Habitat means what? Write the meaning. Living place. For example, where you are living inside the house. Yes, ghar. Now that house is the habitat for you. Now for the birds, what is the habitat for the birds? Birds, what is the living place? Trees. For the fish, what is the habitat place? Water. And for the animals, what is the habitat place? In the forest or under the trees. For the cows, cattle, goats or buffaloes, what we are rearing. Rearing means growing up in the house, where we are keeping them in the stable. Okay. So like this, where we live, that place is called as a habitat. Now we are going to study in this chapter the habitat. Okay. So we have Kotumsar caves near banks of Kankar river at Jagdalpur in our state. Long thin conical structures hanging from the roots and rising from the floors of the caves. Caves means what? Gufa. Okay. Caves. Formed as lime water trickles down. So in this cave, how they are means like conical means this is the conical flask, na? So like this it will be. So like this shape, all these are, and from down also and from up also. So like this. So they are coming like they are which structure? Conical structure. And so the caves are over a kilometer in length and located about 35 meters below the surrounding areas. A hand torch carried down into the cave. When we go inside the cave and when we put off the torch, it will be very dark. So the temperature inside the cave ranges from 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius throughout the year. The temperature of water inside the cave ranges between 22 degrees Celsius 30 degrees Celsius. In this cave, in this guha, the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, and the water temperature is 22 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. This implies that the temperature of water and air inside the cave is similar. Okay. So a particular species of fish is found in these caves. So in these caves, one fish is living. So the length of this fish is 2 to 4 centimeter. Its eyes are very small. The local people call it Kani Machri. Okay, so this fish's name is what? Kani Machri, and it is how many? 2 to 4 centimeter, and it lives in the Kotumsar caves. And for this, what is the habitat place? Kotumsar caves. And other varieties of this fish are found in mountainous streams. It feeds on the microscopic organisms, very small organisms it eats, and insects and molluscs. It also feeds on dead and decaying remaining of animals and plants. This fish also eats dead animals and dead plants. If the animals, the fox also eat the dead animals, na? And dog also eat the dead animals. Crow also eat the dead animals. So those that eat that dead animals or dead plants are called as a scavengers. Now this fish is also one kind of scavenger. Okay. So thus it may be called as a scavenger. Underline this point. Why this one we call it as a scavenger? It also feeds. That means it also eats the dead and decaying remains of animals and plants. That is why we call it as a scavenger. These fishes usually live in burrows under the soil of the caves. So where this fish live? In the cave, water is there, but under the cave there is a soil is there. In that it is living. Though their gaseous exchange occurs in water with the help of gills, so we breathe with the help of lungs. Okay, through the nose air goes to the lungs, and from the lungs only it goes to alveoli, and from there it goes to all parts of the body, oxygen. So like that, fish through what it will be breathing? Through the gills. So most of other fishes, they often come to the surface of water to fill their mouths with air. So sometimes fishes comes to the surface of the water. Surface of the water means what? Just on top of the water. To the water, top of the water is called as a surface. On that it comes for what? They comes on to the surface of the water to take the oxygen. They lead their whole life in these caves. They reproduce here and die here. They live all their life. Their lifespan means how much long they live, that much long. Their whole lifespan will be in the caves only. They reproduce means they give the new babies, they give birth to the new fishes also in the caves only. Kotumsar caves only, and they die also there only. And we may say that water of the Kotumsar caves is the habitat of these fishes. So the water of the Kotumsar caves are the habitat, living place for the Kanimachari fishes. Okay. So what special features of Kotumsar caves have been described in this section? What is the Kotumsar caves? Their eyes are small, okay, and their length is 2 to 4 centimeter. And through the gills, they take breathe in and breathe out, and they eat the dead animals, okay. And also they swim in with the help of the bladders. So like this, these are the features. Suppose Kanimachari flows out from the cave during floods. How do you think it will survive? During the floods means when the more water is there, okay, then Kotumsar caves are filled with the water, and water is going everywhere. That time fish also goes along with the water. So if it is go away from the Kotumsar caves along with the water during the floods means with so much amount of water, okay. So how it survive? That means how it will live in the new place. So how do Kotumsar fishes differ from other fishes? It is a different shape, na? So like that only, according to the living place, our features, our structure of the body, our food habits are different. For example, you see in South India, they eat mostly rice and some other vegetables. But here in North India, Chhattisgarh, we eat more roti and aloo and dal. So much we eat this side dal, all these varieties. And our houses shape also is different, yes. And here is so much winter, so much tanda. So like tandina, so like that only. According to the living place, according to the climate changes, our body structure also will be different. And you see in the Philippines, how their body structure, they are mostly their people are very short, and face is different. America people, you see their face is different, hair color is different, not like us. So like this, it will be different from place to place. So according to that, they survive. In the American, they don't eat the what is that, like us, dal, always rice and roti. They eat, their food is different, okay. So like that only, when we go to America, how we have to survive, okay. So how do Kotumsar fishes differ from other fishes? Because they are little long and their eyes are very small, okay, and they eat the dead animals and the dead plants. So the fishes and other living organisms are the biotic components, okay. We see in the next video.